Let's create a field of type local date to hold the birthday. For this, we just write access modifier private and the type local date. This type from java.time package, from this package, and the name of this field, birthday. And after this, we must create a constructor with name, age, and birthday. So after all, we must to create a getter and setter methods for this birthday field, because it's private. Method for getting birthday and method for setting birthday. So let's create an instance of this class character. We just write the class name, character, our object name, Harry, and reference to constructor of character, and we need to specify name, age, and local date. Name is Harry Potter. We can give the argument's name. Oh, it is not a Kotlin language. In Java, we just write Harry Potter, and we can see this is name. Okay, age 11, comma, and the local date. Local date is a class itself, and in order to create an instance of it, instance of local date, we call of its method of static method local date dot of, and specify year, month, and the day of month. Day of. The year we specify 1980. The month of July, not null, int, type of int 7, month, and the day 31 of July. Thus, we created an object of the local date class and passed it to the constructor of the character class as one of the parameters. Let's look its implementation of this method of. For this, just press Ctrl and click on this method. So we can see that this is static method. It returns local date, so it returns the object of this class. So if the method, any method, static method, returns a class type, local date, then it's a factory method of this class. So method of is a factory method of local date class, because it returns an instance of this local type. So we can see that it take a parameter, year, month, and day of month, and create an instance of this class with these parameters, year, month, and day of month. And after that's all, we can print our example of method character, run our program. So we can see the standard toString method, character, the type of this variable, and the reference in the JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So for readable output, let's overwrite the method toString. toString, and we just return character, because of this method of character. And here we will write the values of fields. For example, field name. You can write name, assignment statement, and here we'll name. after name, comma, and we have also the data of age, information about age of student, concatenate age plus concatenate, comma, and the information about birthday. Birthday, assignment statement, concatenate, and we write the birthday. After this, brackets. So let's look of this toString method now. So we can more readable output: character, name Harry Potter, age 11, birthday, this date. Okay. So note that to create local date, we didn't we didn't invoke its constructor. We don't write here new and local date, parentheses, and here we just invoke its factory method of. Now the task is for you. Create a factory method for the character class, so that we don't call it constructor, but call the factory method, and it itself creates an instance of the character class. Character Draco, and for example, name it as get instance. Get instance. This will be a factory method of class character. The possible solution: Alt Enter, create a method in character. Static, okay, static is cool, and it we can see that it will return character, and this is factory method get instance. In here we just write return a new constructor of character and specify these parameters, but we must take these parameters from this method. So we write string name, int age, and local date, birthday, local date for birthday, and after all just list these parameters in here. This is explicit parameters. On the basis of which we create an object of this class. So here we can see that we must specify the parameters, the name of student for firstly. It will be Draco Malfoy. His age 11 too, and his birthday is from the class local date of years 1980, June, this is 6th method, and 5th June. Also we can print the Draco like Harry, look like Harry. Run our program and we can see the next results. Two objects, but first object Harry we created with the constructor, and for second object Draco we created by factory method get instance. Good job, see you in the next lesson.